Meet ergoCub. It's a humanoid robot, and unlike most of its stiff robotic cousins, this one's actual job is to have your back, literally. Built by researchers at the Italian Institute of Technology and the University of Manchester, ergoCub was designed for one very specific, very human problem. Lifting heavy stuff wrecks your spine. And normally when engineers build a robot, they do it in 2 steps. Build the body and then bolt on some software to make it behave. ergoCub throws that playbook out. Its hardware and its brain was designed together from day one, with a human partner built right into the equation. Here's the clever bit. As you lift something together, ergoCub is constantly reading your posture, your movement, even estimating the load on your lower back in real time. The exact spot most workplace injuries come from. Then it adjusts its own grip and force to take the strain off you. Not sort of helping, measurably reducing the stress on your spine while you work. And it's not just stronger. It's smarter on its feet, walking faster and more efficiently than its predecessor, because apparently teaching a robot to care about your back also makes it a better at being a robot. So why should you care? Lower back injuries are one of the single biggest causes of lost work days and workers' comp claims in warehouses, shipyards and factories across the country. This tech has already been adapted into a modular platform called Gen.01, aimed at manufacturing, logistics and healthcare. Give this a few product cycles and the robot that saves your back stops being a lab demo. It becomes standard equipment on the factory floor. And that's a future worth lifting toward.